everyone, today I am really excited to share with you a brand that has recently renamed themselves, and they have been all over Instagram, Facebook, YouTube here. They're just everywhere. So I'm sure once we get into this video, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Mani and Me boxes, just in case you've been living under a rock and you have not seen anywhere, which I don't know how you cannot because they are everywhere. But just in case you are not aware of exactly what Mani and Me boxes are, I'm going to give you a little bit of the details. Maniology offers 3 different subscription levels for this Mani and Me box. The first one is a month-to-month, which is what I do. They also offer a 3-month subscription and a 6-month subscription. Like many monthly subscriptions, Maniology's Mani and Me boxes are centered around a certain theme for each month. That means that all of the items included in the box reflect that theme and coordinate together very well. Let's talk about the items that are included in each month's box. First, you will find 2 Maniology stamping plates exclusive to the Mani and Me boxes. Also, you're going to receive 2 coordinating stamping polishes. Each box is going to include a special gift. I signed up for the Mani and Me monthly subscriptions in December, so I actually did receive my first box in December. However, with all of the holiday business going on and the rush to get videos up for the end of the year, I did not have time to film that video. However, I do want you to see the items that were in that box. I wanted to give you guys a quick look at the items that were in December's Mani and Me box. That was my first Mani and Me box. So in that box, they did include their ice cube stamper and a scraper here. And December's stamping polishes were this beautiful blue color, and this is Ice Pond. Very pretty. And the other one here is Snowdrift. This is like a metallic polish. Very pretty. The stamping plates that were included did have a Christmassy winter type theme. So there are those plates. So those were the items that were in December's box. Now I can't lie, this is not a total first impressions unboxing type of video because I did peek. I received this in the mail yesterday and I could not hold out. It was on my kitchen table and I was trying to avoid opening it until I had time to film a video, but I couldn't wait. I could not wait. I had to check it out. So I do know the items that are included in this box, and I gotta say, it is very exciting. There are wonderful things. First thing you're gonna find in the box is their little description card here. Now, this talks about the items that are included in the box and a little bit about each one of the items. This says that January's theme is Minimalistic Galaxy. That's exciting because all of the items that are in here are centered around Galaxy theme. The first thing I want to talk about are these space-inspired stamping polishes. First up, I want to talk about Lilac Clouds. This is a really pretty, soft lilac cream. Very gorgeous. The second polish I want to talk about is this gorgeous polish here. This is called Celestial. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that polish. Oh my goodness. I am excited to see how this is going to stamp, and I'm half tempted to just wear it as a regular polish because it's that amazing. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to use this. Next up are the 2 stamping plates here. Oh my gosh. Okay, first plate up here is M002. This plate includes a lot of geometric shapes. Okay, let me know if you guys are thinking the same thing here, but this reminds me of, you remember when they had like the big hype around the crop circles and that kind of stuff? That is what this plate reminds me of. I don't know why, but it does. This is very cool, and I am very excited to play with this plate. Next up here is M001. This has got to be the prettiest plate. There is so many beautiful designs on this plate. There's like the astrological signs, the moons. Oh my gosh. And this looks to be like the Northern Lights kind of thing. Oh, this is so fun. I am very excited to have this plate, and I cannot wait to see what I can create. Maniology also says that they include a special gift each month. This month's gift is these awesome stickers. This is the Big Dipper here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, and they have the Little Dipper. Oh, cute. Some rockets, Milky Way, planets. These stickers are really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave down below the link for Maniology so you guys can run over there and check it out and see if you are interested in getting a Mani and Me box. I decided that what I wanted to do to show you guys these products that are included in the Maniology Mani and Me boxes is, first of all, I'm going to show you guys the products, and then I want to create a Mani using those products. Also, let me know if you guys enjoy this type of a video. I think it's kind of neat. I do get a few other subscription boxes where some of the items that I get in there, I don't really get a chance to use before I get the next box. So I think that doing a video like this where I show you guys the items that are included in the box and then use them to create a Mani will kind of help me work through using the items that I get. Please leave any comments or suggestions below, and I will see you in the next one.